Hey guys, Jason here with 303 Insurance Brokers. Hope you're having an awesome day. I know I am. It's another beautiful sunny day here in Colorado, but winter is coming. We got some snow in the forecast, and one of my most important things that I can talk about in terms of winter and home ownership, whether it's a townhome, whether it's a single family home, is really slip and fall coverage and understanding how liability coverage works within that, and the importance of waking up 15 minutes early and going out and shoveling your walk in your driveway. And ultimately, slip and fall coverage is just that, is your responsibility. You have a responsibility, and depending on your city, it could be very well defined on how long you have to remove snow after a snowfall so it is safe for the general public, for your neighbors to be able to walk on your sidewalk and that sort of thing. I also think part of this is a good Samaritan thing. Like, hey, I should probably shovel my sidewalk because it's just the good thing to do. But at the same time, too, is there's a safety implication. We want to make sure that people walking their dogs, walking their kids, they're not going to slip and fall on your property, thus exposing you to a potential, medical payments, lawsuit, that sort of thing. So as we head into the wintertime, make sure that you wake up a couple minutes earlier. And I also know, living in a COVID world, we have more stuff delivered to us. So, shovel your stoop, shovel your front driveway and your walk so the FedEx and the Amazon driver and the UPS driver can get to your door without the concern of them getting hurt while on the job. So slip and fall, super important thing. We want to make sure we've got that liability coverage for that. But beyond that, make sure you wake up a couple minutes earlier, you go out, you shovel your walk. If you want some other great insurance tips, feel free to reach out to me, Jason with 303 Insurance Brokers. Have a great day.